Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can stream the video on your TV without using any pendrive or any hardware devices. To do that we need one TV, either Android or Google TV, and one mobile devices. And the important thing is both should be connected into the same network. Okay, the first thing is we have to install File Manager Plus application from Play Store on our mobile device. Once we have successfully installed, when we are opening the application on the first time, it will ask us to grant few permission. Once we have granted the permission, there is an option called Access from Net. In this option, it will show us few settings like setting the custom password and the port number. Once we have configured our custom settings, we just have to start the service. Basically, this is an FTP service. So once we have started the service, it will show us what is the FTP site URL and the username and password. With this information only, we are going to access our mobile devices on our TV. So what exactly we are trying to do here? We are going to access the video files available on our mobile device using that FTP site from TV, and we are going to play that video from TV. Okay, now we all set with the mobile device. Let's install the record application on our TV. So in your Google TV or Android TV, you have to install the VLC player. Once we have installed the VLC player on our TV, we have to go to browse, and in the browse we do have an option called add a network server to favorite, the fourth option in the browsing. So in this, by default it will show us the FTP protocol and the port number and the server name and username and the folder path and server name. So all this information it will ask. So this information will be available in our mobile device where we have hosted the FTP site. Okay, let's go to our File Manager Plus application and see what is our FTP site, IP address and the port number. Let us copy the URL. So I am not going to use the physical remote in this case. So I have configured a remote application on my tab, and through that I am connecting and controlling, accessing my TV using my tab. So for if you also want to access your TV through mobile device, so I have already posted the video in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, how you can configure mobile device with your TV. That will be very interesting. And once you have entered the port number and server address, it will ask us to enter the username. So username also will be available in the File Manager Plus application FTP site. So the username will be PC in our case. So let us type PC. Password will be not asked now. So when we are accessing the path, it will ask us to enter the password. Folder name will be the optional, so we can skip that. And the server name is the name which will be shown in the favorite. So we can say test in our case. Once we have done with filling all the required information, let's click OK. Now you can see the favorite folder which we have created called test will shown up. When we are clicking that folder, it will ask us to enter the password. So the password also available in our mobile device where we have hosted the FTP site. So in our case the password is 1234. Let us type the password. Once you have entered the correct password, just say OK, and it will start showing you all the files and folders available in your mobile device. Okay, let us play one video from our TV and see how it is streaming. There you go. So we came to end of this video. Please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you all.
Please do like, share the videos and subscribe our channel for more videos.